Opening statements began today in the American Sniper murder trial. Former Marine Eddie Ray Routh is accused of shooting and killing Chris Kyle, the former Navy SEAL depicted in the Oscar-nominated movie. Mark Strassmann is at the courthouse in Stephenville, Texas, where defense attorneys failed to get the case moved or delayed. Mark, good morning.
Good morning. Everyone in this rural part of Texas has heard of Chris Kyle, but the judge in this case has asked the jury to set aside his notoriety in order to be fair. Prosecutors say among the first witnesses to be called will be Kyle's widow. In the Stephenville courthouse in central Texas, 10 women and 2 men will decide the fate of 27-year-old Eddie Ray Routh. He's charged with killing Chris Kyle, believed to be the deadliest sniper in U.S. military history, and the focus of the hit movie, American Sniper.
I got a military-age male on a cell phone watching the convoy over.
After the war in Iraq, Kyle counseled troubled vets like Routh, who suffers from PTSD. Prosecutors say Routh shot and killed Kyle and his friend Chad Littlefield at this Texas gun range 2 years ago. Routh confessed to the crime but pleaded not guilty. His attorneys are expected to mount a defense based on insanity.
They had been trying to get him help for close to 2 years before the murders occurred.
Journalist Laura Beal interviewed Routh's family before a judge issued a gag order.
There's no one who thinks that what he did was okay and he should get off. Even his mother thinks that he should be punished. I think what they're saying is that his mental state should be taken into account.
But Taya Kyle, Chris Kyle's widow, has scoffed at the notion that PTSD could lead someone to commit murder.
It doesn't change their character. Might change their mood once in a while, but it doesn't make them a murderer.
Complicating the case, Kyle is hugely popular in Texas.
It's going to be extremely difficult to get a fair trial in the community in which the court sits. The victim of the shooting is, in many people's eyes, a hero.
If found guilty of murder, Routh faces life behind bars without the possibility of parole. Prosecutors chose not to seek the death penalty. If found not guilty by reason of insanity, Routh could face life in a mental health facility. Jeff?
Mark, thank you very much.